If you're thinking about starting a business or a side hustle in 2025, this is the video for you. Stay to the end of this video. Don't go anywhere because I'm about to drop them gems. If you're new to the channel, I am Nikki. I am a serial entrepreneur. I have multiple streams of income. I have an online boutique. I sell digital products. I am a wholesaler, and I also help entrepreneurs start online business. If you're looking for ways to make money online, or you just want to start your journey to financial freedom, this is the video for you, okay?
I'm on a whole nother level. I've been in my bag and I keep getting better. I'm getting richer, that ass getting thicker. My diamonds, they keep getting wetter. Fuck, I look like going back and forth with a little bitch that is not on my level. I do not give a fuck, tell a bitch try to look, she'll get folded like
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Nikki. I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of the Queen Boss Squad, because it's Queen Boss Squad or no squad, and it's just that on it. Period. This is a highly requested video. I get so many questions about vendors, how to find vendors. Can people get my vendors? Of course you can get my vendors, y'all. So we're gonna do a inventory haul, and I'm gonna expose my vendors today. Period. This is gonna be designer brand edition. So make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what video y'all want me to do next. Today's gonna be a pretty productive day. Today in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a new inventory. I'm also gonna be showing you my best-selling inventory, and I'm also going to show you products from my suppliers. If you need vendors or anything like that, you need help starting a business, sis got you, okay? So just let me know in the comments what you're looking for, and I can make that video next. So for the first product, my best-selling Louis Vuitton double crossbody bags, y'all. These bags have been selling like crazy. I've made over $10,000 just from these bags alone, okay? Just these bags alone. And I have so many products on my website. I have hundreds of products on my website, from physical products to digital products. I'm talking about bags, shoes, clothes, lashes, accessories, jewelry. I have so many products on my website, but these are my best-selling product so far. So we're gonna get into that. I'm gonna go ahead and put a video up here of these bags so y'all can see these bags. They come in 4 different colors. They come in pink, with a pink strap, green strap, black strap, and the brown strap. So I'm super excited to show you guys these bags. If you want to order, you can order directly on the website. The link will be linked below. And I'm also going to show you some matching shoes that go with them. From UGG. Okay, this is gonna be a Louis Vuitton / UGG collab. So don't go anywhere. I'm about to show you guys these products. Also, these vendors are listed in my designer vendors list ebook. So if you need vendors for your business, you want to make money online selling trendy products, these are the best selling products right now for me. And my vendors have thousands of different products. Okay, so if you need vendors for designer brand products at factory wholesale prices, this list is for you, okay? So that was the Louis Vuitton bag. Now I'm about to show you guys the Louis Vuitton UGG shoes that matches the bag. And they will come in a box just like this. The UGG box, it has the size and everything right there. Let me get a thumbnail real quick, y'all. So we're going to open these up. Come just like this. Y'all, when I say I love these boots, I really love these boots. And this is the boot. And when I say they go perfectly with the bag, they go perfectly with the bag. I'm gonna put the bag right here so y'all can see. And if you want to shop, since the link is listed below in the description box, make sure you guys go shop. Also, if you need wholesale, these are available, and they also come in multiple colors. But yes, I love these shoes, y'all. And they are great quality. And my vendors have so many different styles. So if you're looking for a different style, you can comment below. Or if you're looking for a different brand, you can also comment below what brand you're looking for. And I'll get some of those and I'll put those in another video. But yeah, I really love these shoes. So those were the Louis Vuitton UGG boots. And I also showed you the Louis Vuitton bags. Make sure you guys go shop if you're interested. And also if you need vendors, these vendors are listed in my designer vendors list ebook. And the designer vendors list ebook is on sale all week. The sale will end Sunday. So make sure you guys go ahead and go shop. Or go ahead and invest in yourself and start your business. Because tax season is right around the corner, sis. And you want to make sure that you have inventory when these girls get their taxes, okay? Because they're going to be shopping. So, yeah. And I can't do a long talking video today because I do have a lot of orders I need to ship out. And I am going to ship those on camera with y'all. So, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know what other videos y'all want to see. And y'all, when I say I got so many orders to ship out, I got over 20 orders that I need to ship out of just these Louis Vuitton bags alone. I also have some UGG boot orders that I have to ship out as well. But I had to show y'all the quality of these because the quality is A1. Chef's kiss. So yeah. So that was that for the mini inventory haul. Now we're about to go ahead and start preparing these orders to ship. And I'm also going to take y'all to the post office with me so I can drop these packages off after I got them all packaged up. So let's go ahead and get to the rest of this video, okay? I made boxes, and I also printed these shipping labels. So now we're about to go ahead and start packing these orders and all this good stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna let y'all watch me work. Okay, now that I got all these packages boxed up and ready to go to the post office, I'm gonna go ahead and load these in the car, and then we're gonna go to the post office, okay? And I'll see y'all in a minute. Now that we got all these packages shipped, that's pretty much the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Also, let me know in the comments what video y'all want me to do next. And also, if you are ready to start a business or start a side hustle, or if you already have a business and you need help with branding and marketing, I also have a branding and marketing guide directly on my website. The link also will be listed down in the description. But yeah, y'all, it's 2025. It's time to get out your feelings and get in your bag. Period. Okay, we are not worried about nothing but getting our money up this year. Okay, and that's it. So if you are thinking about starting a business or a side hustle, or you just need help starting that journey to financial freedom, then sis, I got you. All you gotta do is email me, message me on TikTok, reach out to me on any social media platform. I'm on every platform, and I will help you. I will guide you. I will give you all the knowledge that I have, that I've got over these last 5 years that I've been in business. And sis, it's enough money out here for all of us to eat, okay? No gatekeeping this way, okay? It's never been that serious to gatekeep. So if you need help, if you need vendors, if you need suppliers, manufacturers with factory wholesale prices, great shipping, great customer service, all that, get in with me, okay? I will help you. I will give you all the knowledge that I already have, okay? Anything I know, I'll give it to you. All you have to do is let me know, okay? DM me, email me, whatever the case may be. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.
I'm on a whole nother level. I've been in my bag and I keep getting better. I'm getting richer, that ass getting thicker. My diamonds, they keep getting wetter. Fuck, I look like going back and forth with a little bitch.